Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant and I'm the creator of the Spin to Win reward plugin. Today I'm excited to let you know that we have added an awesome new feature to this plugin that will allow you to add a coupon bar, an urgency bar, to your winning slices. Let me show you how this works. So when you're configuring a slice in this plugin, you will now notice that there is an option to add an urgency bar, a coupon bar, to the slice. So before I show you the coupon bar, the urgency bar feature in detail and show you how it works, let me first show you my setup. Let me show you how I have set up my wheel. So in the Add Edit Wheel page, I have set the wheel type as pop-up, display option only show on selected pages. I have configured it to show on this page. Display minimized wheel. So it'll show up here towards the bottom of the screen in a minimized form if users have not yet signed up. And minimized wheel text, you can enter that here. How often should the wheel be displayed? Because this is just for testing purposes. I want it to display always whenever users land on that page. But if you say, for example, daily, what will happen is if users have already signed up, they are not going to see it again, even if they land on that page until the next day. Or you can say specify days and you can enter the number of days, and users are not going to see the wheel for that many days if they have already signed up. So that's up to you here. I'm going to set it to always. Next, in this tab, in the autoresponder tab, I have said, do you want to connect to an external email platform? Yes. In my case, I'm connecting it to Aweber. And you have to do this once. You have to click here to authorize Aweber to connect to your Spin to Win reward plugin. So I have done that already. Do you want to connect to DApp as well? Here I have said yes. This plugin does not require DApp, but if you want, you can add users to your products in DApp, which is what I do. And this is the Add Edit Slices tab. By default, there are 10 slices, and you can see it here. But you can add edit slices, you can remove slices, you can have as many slices as you want. And every slice is pre-configured, but you can click on this plus icon to update the setting. So here what I have done is, this is my first slice. This is a coupon slice. I have entered this text for the slice, 20% off. And there are different types of slices, credits, link, if you want users to be redirected to a specific page. If they land on that slice, then you can select link, or no price. If it's a losing slice, you can set to no price. It's up to you how you configure your slices, what should happen if they land on a specific slice. All of that you can customize, configure here. Enter the coupon code. If they land on this slice, then they are going to get a 20 off discount. Text, you can enter whatever text you want. If they land on this slice, then they're going to see this text. Do you want to display animation? Yes. Animation type, you can select one of these animations. It will display if they land on this slice, if they win this slice. Autoresponder details, I want to add users if they land on this slice to my list in Aweber. You can select the list name. You can also enter a tag. DApp product, I want them to be added to a product in DApp. I can select the products here to which I want to add users. And urgency bar settings. So here you can display a coupon bar, an urgency bar. So this is the feature we have added now. So all you have to do here is you can say, yes, I want to display it. Do you want to add a timer? If you also want to display a timer, it's going to show up here. You can say yes, you can enter your timer details. So here I have set it to be a 5-minute timer, and it will start when users land on the slice. That's when the timer will start. And it will only be valid for 5 minutes. So if they don't use the coupon within the 5 minutes, they will not be able to use it. So it's up to you what you set the timer to be to increase the sense of urgency for the winning slice. Obviously 5 minutes is too less, but it's up to you what you set the timer to. If you use SBC as your shopping cart platform, there are some cool things you can do with it. You can specify the products that they can use this coupon on. You can select the product here, and you can select more than one product here. And then you can enter the amount in percent or dollar amount. You can select that here. Enter the name of your coupon. So here it's 20 off. Enter coupon bar content. So you can click and edit and change this text to whatever you want it to say. Coupon name is a merge tag. It will be replaced by the name of your coupon. Timer will be replaced by the actual timer. If you want to display a timer, be sure to leave this merge tag in there so the plugin can replace this merge tag with the actual timer. And you can customize the style of the timer in the settings page, and you will see. So here is the settings page. Let me take you there to show you. So on the settings page, under the customize urgency bar timer tab, you can customize your timer. Everything that you see here is click and edit. The actual timer value has to be set when you create the wheel, when you configure the slice. You can set the actual timer, but everything else in terms of style, design, all of that can be customized here. You can see you can adjust the width of each one of these boxes. You can adjust the color, background color, border style, border color, all of that is fully customizable. All right, so I'm going to use this setting and I'm going to reduce the width slightly, and that's it. And now when you configure your slices, you can click and change any of this text that you see here. You can customize it, and also this is the coupon bar that will be displayed towards the bottom of the screen. It will show up on all the pages on your site until they exit out of it by clicking on this. So here you can see background color. You can use whatever color you want for your background. I'm going to just use this. Border color, border width, all of this is fully customizable. Do you want to send an email from this plugin to your users? I don't want to do that because I'll be connecting to my email platform. I'll also be adding users to DApp, so I'll send a welcome email from DApp. I don't want to send it from the plugin. Winning chance, I've set it to 100% only because this is for demo, and I have only configured this one slice for the demo. I want users to land on this slice, which is why for testing purposes, I have set it to 100% so that when I enter name and email and spin the wheel, it will always land on this slice, and I can show you how this bar looks in the front end. What I have done is for all the other slices, I have set the chances of winning to 0 because I always want users to win that slice. Again, you can see all of these slices can be customized, configured. Even if the slice is not a coupon slice, for example, one of my slices says link membership training. So there are different types of slices, coupon credits. If you want users to earn credits when they land on a slice, you can do that. You need DApp to use the credits feature. You can also say link. What link will do is if you want users to be redirected to a specific page when they land on a slice, then you can enter the URL of the page to which users should be redirected. If users land on that slice, they will first see this message for a bit, for about 5 seconds, and then they will be redirected to whatever you enter here to that page. Every slice can have an urgency bar. It doesn't even have to be coupon. So if you want to set an urgency bar with any of the winning slices, you can still do that. It does not have to be limited to coupons. So this is really an awesome feature. Next. So in the first tab, you can set the wheel, the basic wheel details. Second tab, you can connect it to your autoresponder. Third tab, you can customize your slices, configure each slice. And the last tab, customizer tab, you can customize the look and feel of the wheel. You can select any one of these. I have selected the first one. And customize wheel. This is how it looks by default. You can change slice colors. You can select any color that you like for your slices. And you can upload a background image. You can see this is the image I'm using. If you don't want to use a background image, you can also say background color. You can adjust the size of the wheel. You can increase the wheel width or decrease it. You can see I have added a white border to my wheel. Border color. Next, customize form. Here you can customize the form. This is the default form. And everything that you see here is click and edit. If you want to customize the style, you can change the style of the form here, and if you want to change the text, just click and edit and change the text. Preview slices. If you want to see what each slice is configured to do, you can do that here in the preview slices. You don't have to go back to add edit slices to see what you have configured for each one of your slices. You can just check that here in the preview slices. Preview wheel. So here you can see how your wheel is going to look in the front end. If all looks good, then the final summary tab, it will tell you exactly what you have done here. So here you can see type pop-up, show up always, page displayed on is this, and it's currently active. So now let me take you to the front end and let's take a look at what happens after I spin the wheel. All right, so let me show you how this works. So this is the front end and this is a pop-up wheel. So it shows up the moment I land on the page. I'm going to enter my name and email and click on try your luck. I'm going to click on try your luck. And it landed on the 20 off as expected. That's because I have configured this slice to be 100% winning slice. That's because I want to show you how the coupon bar looks in the front end. So you can see here, this is how it looks, and it shows the minutes and seconds. This is a 5-minute timer. I have added a 5-minute timer in the back end. So it's set to expire in 4 minutes, 37 seconds. So you can add a sense of urgency to your winning slices by showing them this, and users can click on this X icon here to get rid of this bar, but otherwise it will show on every page that they land on as a reminder that the coupon is set to expire soon. So as you can see, using the Spin to Win reward plugin, not only can you gamify your opt-ins and get more people to sign up, but also you can increase your sales by adding an urgency bar that will get your users to take action, your desired action. So instead of waiting, now they can see that if they don't take action, the timer will expire soon and they will no longer have the benefit of the discount. So it will result in your users taking quick action. I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to use this plugin to grow your signups, use this plugin to grow your sales. My name is Veena Prashant. If you have any questions, you're welcome to join my Facebook group, not for support, but if you have any generic questions, feel free to ask there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.